Mama! Ang paglingan.
Kaitan pan sa baba. Good morning. Hi, Mopsy. Thank you for the thumbs up. Oscar Ruiz, hello, beautiful. Hello. Hi. How are you? Hi, honey. Honey, my love, so sweet. Thank you for the 3 thumbs up, guys. Salamat. Wait lang. For the 8 thumbs up, people here. Hello, beautiful. Thank you, Oscar Ruiz. How was your day? Good day. The day is my beautiful day today. I love to see your toes. Oh. Bye. Bye, Mopsy. Thank you for joining. Salamat, Mopsy. Hi, Alexander. Hello. Truth Seeker. Hi, Truth Seeker. Basaba. Welcome to my live. Yes. Thank you for the 13 people. Gab, pasam mo daw muna tabi. Tabi. Thank you for the 13 people.
Ang gawak naman sa baby lang daw.
Thank you for the 13 people. Hello, Alex. Bye. I see Mavi 52. Turkey, Istanbul City. Hello. Hello, Francis Barbie. Thank you for joining my live. Thank you so much. How are you guys? Good shape. Good shape. Beautiful. Thank you, Basaba. Salamat. Yes. Uy, bait naman ng dalawa. Sabi, ada ako, kuya. Thank you po. Look, I have a beautiful. Thank you, guys. Hindi pa ho. May sabay mo sa samhod. Thank you so much. Thank you for the 16 people. Thank you for the 20 people in my life. Isa lang ako ngayon. Hindi ko nang sakat doon. Kaya matuyan yata. Sama dan niya. Ay, stop it. Ano niya, ha? Bayan? Bayan? Last time. Hindi pa ako kung ate. Thank you. Thank you for the 23 people. Thank you so much. How are you guys? Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Tito Catalino, hi. You look, Cheryl, look what I typed about piso. Hi, about piso. English again, Jose. How much in 5 USD dollars in peso? Five, uh, maybe 600 pesos, I think. Or 500. 500, $5.
Sabi mo.
500, $5.
Sabi mo, sudan.
Oo, pa dito sa, andas pa niya. So, siligya di yun, kadiri mo tanos. Pwede yun, mga ate-ate. Thank you for the 11 people. Busy doing household. Yeah, Aleppo. Ha? Dito min sa, diri min sa Violet. Sa Stripe. 220 hours. What means Tito? Hi, good morning. Catalino. Thank you for the thumbs up. Aray. Okay. Give Gabi for helping out so he can buy something. Oh, too much, $5. Too much. $5 is too much for Gab. Maybe Di ba, Stripe. Di ba yun, Stripe?
Ito ba nandako?
Ya, di na sa day di ho, kaabay sa nang. Soy de Mexico. Ah, okay.
Saday. Ani ho?
Maybe I give food for 20 pesos. Okay, 3 then. Okay, 3. Just 3.
Sa kanina lang daw, kanina.
3, just 3. Nata. O, tunga ka mo. Tapos tagan man niyan si Min.
Jeep.
Apo.
Uy, Jeep. Ay.
Hi, ate. Hi. I give him. Gab. English yan ang bata mo. No. English yan ang bata mo. Yung anak ko, hindi siya English. Pilipino, Bicolano. Ano po ang ginagawa nyo? Nagla-live. Kagigising ko lang. Yay! Kagigising ko lang. Mga tapay na mimikit. Okay, did you tell him what it was for? Okay. I give him Gab. I tell Gab. Are you Filipino? Yeah, I'm Filipino. I'm from Philippines. Tito Catalino. And Jose, can you please English, please? Very beautiful. Thank you, Oscar. Salamat, Oscar. Mary Jenna Dani. Wala po nag-cellphone ako. Ah, okay. Kanta po ng Die With A Smile. Ha? Ano yun? Di ko alam yun. Jenna Bella Sorksha. What's the time like? 7 in the morning. Time 7 in the morning. Ano time now? 7 in the morning here. 7:54 in the morning. Ano po alam yung kanta? Bye ko po. Over there. Hi, Jo Kapa Donna. Over there. Do you know Mexico? I know the country of Mexico, but not yet. Though going there. Not going there. But I like Mexico. Beautiful Mexico. Yeah. Yes. Kakagising ko lang. Dapat pala magkape ako. Oh my goodness. Walang wait. Kakagising ko lang. Hey.
Gab!
Thank you so much for the 16 people. Guys, it's okay for they speak Tagalog because I understand the Tagalog speaking. Maybe I translate you. I will translate it in English. Are you want to help me? Why? Why the bus is? What's your problem? I can help, but no, not money because I don't have that. I have, but not too much. Pakasabi nga ni kay kara kuya mo mag-alog. Kara kuya mag-alog. Thank you for the 12 people and Teban kanta ka po ng bahay ko. Bahay kubo kahit munti ang halaman doon kay sari-sari singgamasok man. Ano lang, nakalimutan ko na, di ba? Kahit bahay kubo, hindi pa marunong. Nakalimutan ko na ako anong kadugtong eh. Wala talaga, hindi talaga humasa sa mga ganyang kantahan. Hindi na bubuo. Sa umpisa lang magaling. Charot, hindi pa nga magaling eh. Sa umpisa lang may alam pala. Cheers! Daniel Barry Sports Highlight. Cheers everyone. Thank you, Daniel. Matchay. 12. Hi, Matchay. Hi, Matchay. Kanta ka po ng bahay kubo. Kumanta na ako. I always sing bahay kubo. Bahay kubo. A. Yan na lang. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ba? Thank you for the 7 million and the 7 thumbs up, guys. Salamat sa patusok. Taga saan ka pala, Junabel? Kakagising ko lang. Haze. Thank you for the 10 people here. Asan pa anak niya? Dito anak ko.
Ano?
Ay, mag-alugag mo sin Sin tubig, wala tubig.
Mayroon ba man? Sa jug?
Wala na ito laman.
Sabi mo?
Oo, mag-alug ka mo tubig. Ubusan niya ito. May pugi po ba siya? May,
Jug lang. Ay, ganun
mas
lang.
pugi po siya. Opo, pugi po siya. Ubus, ano po lang yan? Pugi po, ang bibi ko. Pugi siya. Kuhay man tabi ako dito minsan San tinapay. Salamat. Thank you for the 9 people. Buhangin. Buhangin. Kastilyong buhangin. It's okay. Let's eat the bread. Let's eat the bread.
Mag-gra!
Gising ko lang sa pagkapikit. Di naman ako inchik pero matay na yun. Kakagising ko lang. Kakagising ko lang sa pagkapikit. Di naman ako inchik pero matay. How are you? Hi, thank you for the thumbs up. I'm good, Rodrigo. Good morning. Good morning, my dear. Hello. 10. 10. Did you sleep well, my friend? Yeah, I sleep well. Thank you. Thank you, Rodrigo. Oh. Tip, tip like. Tip, tip like or easy. Thank you.
Background ka.
Ako nagsasakat ka dun, Min. Baba. Hug from Brazil for you, bro. Thank you, Rodrigo.
Mataas yun.
Don't forget, like, my friend, okay? Thank you. Thank you so much. Good morning, Rodrigo. Good morning, Rodrigo. Sir Greg, thumbs up 10 maganda, Cheryl. Thank you, Greg. Thank you so much, Greg. Have coffee for me. Yes. Coffee. Why are you eating only bread? Why not eggs too? Oh, not egg. No eggs. Pakita nga po yung anak mo. Gab! Ay, nagano.
Wala man tubig.
I miss you, Cheryl. Miss you too, Greg. Thank you.
Pag yung wala tubig.
Din.
Natanggal yun dito ha.
Bali natanggal dito sa ano.
Din. Tagalog.
For me, good night. Good night, Rodrigo. Next time, we have money. I will buy later. Maybe. Yes, I will buy later the eggs. Do you help dollar? Felipe Banuelos? No, I don't have dollar. Sorry. Kumusta? Ingat ka. Magandang umaga. Maganda, Cheryl. Thank you. Take care too, Greg. And thank you so much. Good morning. Buy some eggs. You have money. Yes. I will buy some eggs. I'm fine. I knew there. I'm also fine.
Bukas na dire.
21.
Papainit mo ngayon.
9 p.m. there in Brazil.
Ipapakulo.
Rodrigo.
Ano? Ang dami mo. Mama, kadahan ng gasol. Ang kalal.
Tama na yun. Okay lang. I'm fine. He asked if you want money. He asked if you want money. Who? Do you need help?
Sabi niya magpaingat ka daw dito.
Do you need help? Thanks, May.
Ay!
He asked if I want
Ala!
dollar. Money dollar. Everyone, please comment, like, and subscribe to Cheryl channel. Thank you so much, Greg.
Puno na!
Tama na yan. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thumbs naman dyan.
Yes, Philippe. Ka naman, iligap. Tingin ka. Ay, my God. My son. My God.
Sabi mo, bawal bata.
Oo nga, bawal. Saglit lang naman.
Siyempre, di pa yung mga
Yes,
nagkukulo.
Philippe.
Ayaw, ay, tama na yun na.
Hi,
Tama na
I'm
yung kalayo.
retired. Carl, you're tired. Spring Beauty, we say hi. Spring Beauty, we say hello. Thank you, Mia. Welcome to Brazil.
Thumbs up. Shout out naman dyan kay Cheryl D. Marble. Ay, Cheryl Oman. Nung malaki Mia o pagsikantan?
Pansit Canton, laki may Pansit Canton na.
Ano?
Retards are welcome. Charot.
Ay, ito.
Yes,
Dapat
hindi.
ibabasa mo yun ang sa video.
May.
Daddy, daddy.
Miss you. Hi, Andrew.
Oh, wait.
Where are you from, Andrew?
Oh.
Shara, welcome to Brazil. Thank you. Rodrigo.
Ibawal mo. Puti. Men.
Help $300. $300?
Lalas ka baga.
Ang lalande. Ang lalande.
Ito baga ko yours orange siya dito. Ito maraw. Malang ito. Tugon kagahapon.
Divanis, go away.
Hinalo ko.
Show is eating pandesal.
Ito na ito.
Sliced bread.
Pangan yung
Sliced
mainit,
bread.
Gab. Kahapon, ang dali.
No.
Oo.
Are you a bit hot?
Pagparong.
It's okay to help.
Mainit naman.
But why you helping me?
Mainit na.
Why you helping me?
Kaya,
Why? What the reason?
ali doon. Mangyani nagkukulo.
Dapat na nagkukulo na.
Pag may galag, lubo-lubo na baga tita ha. Lubo na. Ay, lubo-lubo na. Pagilid. Pagdagan na ng lubo-lubo. Sika!
Bye-bye, my friend. Please, sure. I have to go now. Bye-bye. So, thank you so much for joining, Rodrigo. Thank you. God bless.
Sino nagalang mainit? At Pansit Canton. Apat. Sikat. Gusto mo Pansit Canton? Bugang burger, oh. Gabriel, kung may bunay lang na inla.
Hi, Cheryl. Hi, Steve. How are you, Steve?
Ay, nabati ka. Bukas. Talaga po.
Morning, Gab.
Kumain na ka sa... Ay, nabubuka. Ay, mo lang.
Cheryl, remember what we talk about.
Galing na po kami.
Yeah.
Okay, nilalagay ko dito. Bubuka nga. Ayaw na yung pagbukasan ninyo. Na mo lang nila, bubuka ha.
Thank you for the 14 people. Give thumbs up.
Pero ako na ka na
Thank you so much. Douglas Cabrera, hola.
May Parvix kami ni Gab, may Parvix. Alam naman doon ni Kuya ko. Sige.
Parvix to ano? Sabi, gusto ko,
Kami, sila nila. Dubutok man.
Ako ito ka! Naimod lang ni Gabo.
Ni Gab.
So, wala ka ba? Ako, tapos po rin. Doon po rin ito lang. Pag na, ano na ito. Mata. Tapos butang niya ito papitas. Butang niya sa kanila.
No.
Ay, ako.
Di ba? Hindi mo siya rin. Ito mo sila. Oo, direct ko sa iwa. Napagpapala sa sipo.
Uy, nagagadi na Pulbot ha. Maganda porsilas. Maganda porsilas ha. Abo ka ay kuya ka.
Yeah. Do you know how many hours you need until our monetize? Yeah.
Laliw ko lang.
That's why I need to reach the watch hour.
Dapat kay Ate Nimping.
That's why I need to reach the watch
Oh,
hour.
may na.
Balik kita, wala na ka na.
Main. Muda ko.
Tommy need 2,000. Need 1,000 watch hours. It's really hard
Lubay
to
lang
reach.
sa ako, natanggal
Very
na.
difficult to
Uy,
reach this goal.
tila. Wala.
Buyo ka nag-live ako. Wala may Preciosa. Hello. No, Philippine. Hi, beautiful from Leo. Beautiful friend. Why you don't have people? I have no bank account still. Need bank account. New subscribe. Thank you so much, Leo. Thank you so much. Kichara. Kichara. Bang, 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 bang. Kichara.
Ako nag-inom ako.
Uy, kulo na.
Sige na, butang na. Butang na niya. Gaya.
Ay, kutala.
Adiyo. Adiyo.
Kutala. Kutala. Kutala.
Welcome, Leo.
Sara.
Hi, team.
Ako daw.
Parky Nomenicero como Choticero. What means? Exactly, you're full. Yes, I'm full. Hi, Sir Zach B. Thank you so much for joining my live, Sir Zach. Ibo ko na naman. Parang nakalive ako. I think you also need a passport or driver's license or some acceptable official government picture ID. Yes, I need. I have government maybe I think you also need a passport or driver's license or some acceptable official government ID. Yeah, I need it. You are good morning, my friend.
Hoy.
I tried need to get the bank account and PayPal. Having a PayPal is need to do it. Laverdi Amimigota. Hi, Laverdi. How you doing, my love friend? Doing good, doing fine. You need just a government ID for a bank account. Yes. And government ID. So sweet picture, my love friend. Thank you. Thank you, Ramesh. Like that. Thank you so much for giving thumbs up. So beautiful. Salamat. Thank you. Figure out to become independent. Yes. Thank you, Steve. Bully line. Beauty. What means? People get BPI. Yes, BPI bank. Thank you, Sir Zach. Peace, very sweet, my love friend. Thank you, Ramesh.
Parang lambang ko. Laba-laba.
Thank you so much, guys. Very sweet. Thank you for the 13 people. Yeah. What's the flowers? Cute flowers. Thank you for the flowers, Ramesh. What province? From Luzon, Bicol province, Sir Isaac. Bicol province from Luzon, Philippines. Everyone, please like and support to support this live. Thank you so much, Steve. Steve Rocket, thank you. Thank you so much. What means Ramesh? So much for you. What means what? I don't understand. Yes, I know. As soon as you said salamat. Salamat. Thank you, Tim. Thank you, Sir Isaac. Where are you from, Sir Isaac? D. Thank you for the 16 thumbs up, guys. Salamat. Appreciated. Thank you so much. And the 14 people here, my live. Thank you so much. Mariho kung kamo. Maraot yung gab. Kami ko yung sasabihan. Maraot yada. Thank you. U.S. understand Metro Manila. We're here in Philippines, in Metro Manila. Where do you live in Metro Manila? Makati, Taguig, Caloocan, Malabon, what? Paranaque, Pasay. What? Where? San Juan. Las Piñas. Okay, Las Piñas. Welcome here in the Philippines, Sir Isaac. I help another blogger get monetized and is doing great to help the family. Wow, thank you so much, Steve. You are so generous one. Helping vlogger, most Filipina. Thank you so much, Sir Steve Rocket. What's up, madlang people? What's up, madlang people? Thank you so much, Steve. I hope my channel will be monetized soon. Keep up the good work. Thank you, Sir Steve. Thank you, Sir Steve. Thank you so much. Hello from Golden Frieza BJ. Hi. Thank you so much. Asif. Hello, Asif. Hi, Asif. Thank you for the 18 patang Zach. Thank you so much. Salamat sa 18 na thumbs up. And the 11 people here na, thank you so much. What's up, madlang people? Tama na yun. Halian na tubig. Gab, tama na yun to. Malalatok yun to.
Laba. Alisana mo dito eh. Kung masarap. Daw? Pigil na sita.
Ay, pag-ilaw kung
Tatabag. Ito, makuha naman ng kita pingas. Pingas, diba? Mindrio.
Asif, I like them. Thank you for the like, Asif. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you so much. And thank you for the 8 people here in my life. Salamat. Thank you so much. Don't neglect making video here to gain subscribers as well. Yes. Yes, thank you, Sir Steve. Your English pretty good. Thank you. I hope. Golden Pizza. Brusty. Hi, Sir Brusty. Hello. Welcome to here. Muhammad Anwar. Hello, Muhammad Anwar. Thank you for the 13 people. Game over. Okay, game over. Bye-bye. You're so pretty. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Brasdi. Where are you from, Brasdi?
Ayun ang bagay ko. Sito pa din. Sito pa din. Basta na.
Thank you for the 14 people. UK. Ah, okay. Hi, welcome from UK, Brasdi. Shout out.
Hey, Gabriel.
UK from Philippines. Muhammad Anwar. Hi.
Hindi ka magbutang. Ha? Inuwa ka.
Maribukong good ka mo. Naglalay baga ako. What
Lagi
do you
yun.
mean, Muhammad?
Iba wala rabong. Wala rabong na.
Subscribe then. Thank you, Ansel, for the subscribe. Thank you so much. God bless. Thank you. Na daw. Pugaya mo na niyo, Intiro. Pugaya mo si Thanos.
Kalapit mo na Leo.
Thank you for the 10 people and the thumbs up. Salamat. Hi, Muhammad. I can't understand your language, Arabic. I don't understand Arabic. Sorry. Can you speak English?
Wala ako nagtita.
Kasi kadali lang natin si Kasi. Madali na to.
Arabic. Muhammad English. Thank you.
Kasi ko man na. Kaya kasi kadali si Kasi. Madali kasi. Dagang mo.
How can you so up people?
Kaya ka lang dyan. Ito na to dahil. Sige, kasi mo na lang.
Ba daw ko nakaraon mga muda nag-uurula. Diri irugso ng pagkaon.
Kami uda.
Oh, babarayaan na ini niyo.
O, sabi na, mabisay pa ako. Ay, galit.
Trapuhan, samhudan. Oh, diri irugso ng pagtrapo. Babayi. Pagbabayi maayo. Ito magugas sa sangkanat.
Laba-laba, chicken. Chicken jacket.
I guess you did remember what we talk
And
about.
ako. Jacket.
What we talk about.
Kuko na.
Pababa na, bababa na, bababa na. Thank you for the 20 thumbs up. Thank you so much. Uy, di pa ako gago. Don't remember. Remember? I don't remember. I remember, but I know. Roger P. Hi. Hi, Roger. I will send. Okay. Everyone, please like and subscribe. And when the live is over, check her bio for sure. Also amazing videos. Thank you so much, Steve. Thank you so much for helping me. Thank you. I really appreciated Steve. Thank you. Thank you for the 20 thumbs up. Salamat. Another 6 people here. Thank you. Okay, send messages. I will read. Leo Ripoledo Jr., August 29, 2025, age 7A, Mama Benita, Bunawan, Davao City. Hello. This is your home. This is your home. Yes. My parents' home. Golden Pizza. This is my parents' home. Pico City. Hi. I sent message. Pico City. Hello. Nice, please. Thank you. Thank you, Golden Pizza. Thank you for the 22 times, Zach. Salamat. Thank you so much.
Ano gusto mo?
Ay, Jesus, makulog sa tiyan mo. Nice place. Nice place. Thank you sa 7 people here. I'm looking at the Franca. Joy, delayed na. Delaying na. Gab, di ka mag-ano, Gab. Kaya nakalive ako, Gab. Gabriel! I have posted your channel into a Facebook and sent you a few facts on WhatsApp. I thought you might be interested. Thank you, Steve. You're helping me, trying to helping me and supporting me. Thank you so much. Salamat. Thank you, Steve. Thank you. Growing the channel is all about exposure. Yes, it's all about exposure. You're right, Steve. Need to go everywhere. Need to go everywhere. I wish I took to the midnight when you hear again. This love is in tears, we shed for years. Miss that we had for so long, it's me and you. Maribukong good ka mo. Nag-alive ako, maribukong ka mo. Nano ko ba? Sa iyo. Kung wala dito sa iyo. What do you do on your channel? You do a lot for entertainment, like a lot, anything. Province life here in Bicol, like that. Golden, what are you looking for? Memories that we had for so long, it's me and you. Now you're gone, you left me alone. I just asking you. I'm doing province life here in Bicol. Almost province life here in Bicol. Nothing really. I understand. so long, it's me and you. And then you're gone away, left me all alone. Mm, don't you know? But please don't leave me break my heart. What you do? I seen some of your life. Yes, some of my life. Some of my life almost here and a province like here in Bicol, like that. Daily routine ba? Daily. Thank you for tuning in. Stay tuned. Chubar. Hi Chubar Star. Cheryl, what will you do when you are YouTube famous? Maybe if I am a YouTube famous, my advocacy is helping like me, helping people. I'm going to isolate place that no one know, and I'm finding very poor people, and I try to help. Hello from Pakistan. Hi, Raposh friends. Sorry, I didn't understand what you said. That's my advocacy. If I will become a YouTube famous. Oh wow, that's nice. And then education is for me. Education is very important. That's why so many smart here in the Philippines and now capable to ano, continue the study most college because expensive tuition, and maybe they get a scholar, but the daily the financial support every day and their family. It's a very some of I know as a very deep smart but not capable to study. Continue to study most the college. Good morning, Cheryl. Hi, Scott Bonner. How is Scott? I have many friends from your country, Philippines. Thank you, Raposh friends. Hi, Raposh. Welcome back, Scott. Welcome back, Scott. How are you, Scott? Hey, Tim, how's things? Hey, Tim, how's things? What's up? I'm good, thank you. How are you? Well, I'm good too. I'm fine. Beautiful. Have a beautiful day. Beautiful life. It's a beautiful day. Wonderful. It's a beautiful life. It's a beautiful day. But before anything, and first, of course, first place, I want to have a home, my own home, car, motor, like that. A farm, my own farm. I want to have these things. I have listened that all Philippines like Pakistani too much. Huh? Really? Really? Wow. It's a beautiful life. It's a beautiful life. That's the way it is. That's the way it is. It's open mouth. What means more people need to be like you, helping others. My last day in BGC, I was giving a tour of the nearby barangay. Yes, I live here in the barangay, and I work as a BNS here in our barangay. I was almost in tears from the poverty I saw, but nearly all Filipino there seem happy. Yes, it's a very here in the Philippines. When you see the very poorest people, but they look so happy. Yes, what's most? He wants you to show your best. Ah, okay. No, no, can't. No, don't. Oh. Yes, your Philippines are saying that we love mom. Really? Thank you, Steve. So many hair. I so many hair. It's a very, the, but they look happy, but they are difficult. They suffer the difficult, suffer the hard life here in the Philippines. Yes, no pill for sure. This is so cute. Namahaw ka na, Pai? Namahaw ka na? Gusto mo bunay? Nanong gusto mo? Ah, gusto mo luto? Initong ka luto.
Kaya magbayad ng sa doktor na din.
Ay, babayad ako dito 200.
Ito rin.
Paano man?
Mapayat ako doon.
Ako na lang mabayad.
Ako, alas 2, makani.
Pakakaon?
Ay, kung nanuwi yung payat doon, hinaga. Barak na niya. Mama siya, nagabili siya, kasi pa yun, pumura man. Ako siya, biling-biling, si Pagyan po. Ay, tinakamag ko po. Yan.
Till a cheeseburger. Where is Hannah or Laika? Huh? Hannah and Laika. I bet they are neighbors. Locos, are you delusional? Delusional. Bless is not helpless. Why? I hide him. He won't give up. Who's who? Where is real Filipina? Real Filipina. What is an average day for you and your family there? Are you making rice? Yes, making rice. Rice is life. Family is life. Yes. Rice is life here. Family is love. You're right, Steve. Happy Friday. No, not Friday. This Thursday, not Friday now. Do you know real Filipina? I'm a Filipina. Why have what? What happened? Or Filipina ilated? Latin? Ilated? Nalatid? Nilatid? It's a beautiful life. It's a beautiful life. They have YouTube channels. Yeah. Filipina. Many Filipina have a YouTube channel. Thank you for the 8 people and 23 thumbs up. Thank you so much, guys. Three of them are family. Okay. Thank you for the 9 people here and the 23 times up. Happy! Happy! Shanana! It's a nice day. Ay, yadi ka pala? Kanina ka pa?
Yan lang.
As in, yan lang. Nananorasan na ano? Kumusta dito? Kumusta?
Fine man.
Pasarali sa kagabi. Filipina unique, real Filipina and real and Filipina Latin. Latin. Latin.
Kinagat yung TV sa iyo. Beautiful day. Beautiful day.
Basta.
Okay lang. Happy. Pero sa kapo mo si, no?
Kinagat na si Bel.
He meant related not okay. Related not Latin. That's why Latin. I wonder what Latin. Still from the still. Everyone please remember to double tap, like and subscribe to support this live. Also check the bio. Amazing videos about life in the Philippines. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Steve. Ano men, pag magjagaan ang antod-antod, paano mapatay mo? Maudot lang ako ha. Maudot lang. That's so beautiful. That's so beautiful.
Parang nga sanda ko sila.
Kami lang.
Dire!
Oo.
Kaputan!
Ako na, pre. Ako na. Ako na.
Ay,
Ako na. Nano ka? Ano kayo na ano? Bayan mo. Isda.
ha?
Sabi siya.
Sana mo lang ba? Kaya mo ang kalay, nagkalis ka ligapon? Nala. Oo.
Sa punto sa anak, sa ubed. Sa punto.
Ah, ito.
Pero tinatagulan man.
O, katagunan ko kansa.
Mawali na ito doon.
Di niya arang, ako maulit ko, kaya nagbakal ko ng bugas.
Ah,
Sabi ko sabi, bata na ano. Ano ba, talito, dulo? Ito ba wala kayo? Patay mo dito.
Yes.
Bakal. Ay, di man ito kamangil, di man ito kapatid lang.
puro paminado.
Ayoko.
Barato kayo.
Stop pa din eh.
Ah,
Daddy.
Parang ganyan. Ano talaga yung mga accident yun? Hindi mo sinasabi. Munti ka mapukong sa helmet. Kinukuha sa libon sa helmet. Munti ka.
No, ay may
Andiyan mo yun. Yan.
Ako lang.
It's a beautiful life. That's a beautiful day. Tayo lang katunap po kami. Ay, sige. Oo. Ingat ka mo. Rice Yam. Yes, Rice Yam. Thank you for the 25. Good morning, sis. Good morning to all. And mom, tucking into the go back to work. Thank you. Uh, she making his food. He was special diet. Yes. Yes, God, right here. I think. Giga T Swing. Hi, welcome back. Golden Visa. Ducking and got to go back to work. Have a good one po. Thank you, Giga Swing. Thank you so much for joining here on the live. She take care of him. Yes. I take care of him. And mom. Morning, Rise Yummy. Hi. Good morning to all. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Good morning. Everyone, please like and subscribe to Cheryl channel. Thank you, Greg. Salamat, Greg. Let's reach 59 likes together. Double tap and subscribe. Thank you so much, Greg. Salamat. Good morning, Sir Tim. Good morning, Sir Tim. What time is it now? 8:53 a.m. here in the Philippines. 12 people in my life. 25 thumbs up. Salamat. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. It's so nice. Thank you. Ayan, my father art.
My sister vlogger,
Yes.
we will rise.
8 tries. Province life. Life here in the province.
Ito, walang nakita.
Ha? Oo, butugon ka.
Butugon na wali.
Butugon na wali. Kaka-vlog. Sana all. I meant to type 50 but 59. It's better charot. It's better than 50. Charot. That's a beautiful day of tonight. Salamat. Salamat sa'yo. I mean, thank you for the 13. So my father earth. She ate rice with fried fish. And my gob. My baby gob.
Mama.
Ay, ang galing ni Kuya Gab, ah. Nagkaon ng daghanan si Kuya Kempethut. Do you have kids? Yeah, I have kids. Kian and Cheryl. I have one kid. I have a son. One son. One kid. Golden. She has a son named Gab. Yes. His name is Gab.
Naman dyan.
Gabriel. Gab. Thank you. Okay, how you see his name? Gab. Gabby. Gab, like that. Gabriel. If I'm angry, I called her Gabriel. Aray ko. It's a beautiful day. Okay, I got it. Where are you from, Golden Visa, baby? Where are you from, Sir Golden? Mom or sir? Don't call him Gabriel, then okay. America. Oh, okay. Where in America? Where do you live in America? Golden Visa. Riza. Ah, yeah, Ohio. I remember. Ohio. Ohio. It's a beautiful life. It's a beautiful day. The sun. Ohio. Oh, mainit na. Hot weather na again. You remember? I remember you joined before. I asked you where are you from. Then you said Ohio, USA. Now I remember. Welcome back again. Pala. Ingat ka, Cheryl. See you later. Thank you, Greg. Ingat ka din. Take care too. See you later. Thank you. You asked me. If you ask me, di baling ma-in-love sa'yo si Jai Boji. Alam kong kasing napakalakas kasi. Yeah, it's a bayan. I'm to go in night. Take her time. Take her time. Yeah, I take her. I take him. I take her. Take her. I take her. You too, Greg. Thank you, Greg. Thank you so much for joining us. Joining me here again. Thank you. God bless. Good night. Good evening. USA. America. It's a beautiful day that's so nice. It's a beautiful team. Amping means sticker in Bisaya. Oh, wow. Okay. Amping, Greg. Now I know, Greg, amping means sticker. Ingat ka means the same thing in Tagalog. Okay. Yes, you teach me. It's a beautiful life. It's a beautiful day. That's all. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful sunset. I found the love of me. It's starting to start waiting. Follow my lead. Life on the floor. Beautiful and sweet. I need someone waiting for me. 'Cause you just gets me feeling. You look very sweet. I wish you the world. I am Lee Pollock. Where are you from, Sir Lee Pollock? Pollock. Lee Pollock. Where are you from, sir? Cheryl doesn't know Bisaya. Yes, I don't know. I don't speak Bisaya. I don't know how. Niagara Falls, USA. Ah, Niagara Falls, USA. Welcome, Sir Lee Pollock. Welcome to my live stream here on YouTube. Thank you. Niagara. It's a beautiful life. It's a beautiful life. Car is vitamins. Stay sweet, never change. Yeah, I never change. Cheryl Gihugma means love in Bisaya. Wow. Cheryl Gihugma means love in Bisaya. You teach me, Greg. Bisaya. Gi, gi, gihigugma. 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 Still sweet, never change. Thank you. Thank you, Sir Lee Pollock. Thank you. Galing means awesome in Bisaya. Same here. Same galing. It's Tagalog. It's Tagalog also. Cheryl is galing-galing. Cheryl is galing-galing. Salamat naman. Galing-galing naman. Galing palengke. Ito meaning of galing. As awesome or came from. Cheryl galing palengke. Cheryl came from palengke. From the market. Galing-galing. It's a beautiful life. It's a beautiful way to turn. Bye. Thank you for the 10 people. Beautiful boys. Hi, Harley. Welcome back, Harley. Cheryl is in Mahalco with Ekano. Nako, Greg. Nako. Hi, nako. I like your smile. Thank you, Golden. Marisa. Hi, nako, Greg. It's a beautiful life. It's a beautiful life outside. It's a beautiful life. I don't know how to eyebrows. To make a kilay. To the eyebrows. It's a beautiful Bisaya, Gihigugma. Hi, Harley. You like to sing, it look like. Yeah. Harley, welcome back. Mainito na. Papay na. Time 9:06. Almost.
Sabungan.
Ano yun? Pag una ko, tatagan mo ako kwarta.
Peso. Dos. Ay, putya. Kaya na. Ako nakakaano kay... Lupahan grabe.
Nagawa ka? Ba't ka? May washing.
Ay, makaurag nga ni. Eh, pag kundo mapaikot ka naman. Ang timer ba ganiya? Minsan mapundo, minsan diretso ang ikot.
Ay, pa ano siya dito sa... Love the sounds of roster and background. Legit. Legit. Legit background music. Background sound.
Yeah.
The roster.
Sasabangan.
Always. Every morning here. 3 a.m. until whole day. Simple, honest life. Yes, honest life. Simple, honest life. Thank you, Sir Leif Halak. You are cool. Cool. Like this. La Bandera de Cheryl. No, I'm not laban na.
No. She's resting now. Resting up my resting.
I don't need laba-laba na.
Kaya sarang natalay doon.
Masyadil pa.
Ama, ang atang si.
Mapagano mag-relakaw.
Napagal mo tala kawan.
Yes! Oh my God. May labahin. He depressed me, but I'm sorry. I don't depress may
Just
labahin.
another woman in
Gerald
love.
Modemo. Hello, love. A
Take
missing
a
girl
map-
from South Africa, Soweto.
Fire of control.
What did you say, Greg?
Just another
Labahin. My laundry means Greg means laundry day. Laundry day. I said no laundry day. I didn't look. When 10.
Just another woman, just another woman in love. I'm just another woman in love. I think I'm a fool. Fire up control, just another fool.
When 10. Natin naman okay, yesterday she did laundry. Yes. Dance party. Ay, ito na. Anong kakanta dito na nagayon na ako. It's so beautiful. Bebe, nanliban pa dito. Ano lang, ang saro lang, anong paulit-ulit lang. Pero makakaano ka, makasayaw ka. Parang rigi-rigi ito.
Yan ang nakanta.
Bagay rigi yan ano niya. Tapos pag ano makasayaw ka. Pero paulit-ulit lang ano niya. Labandira means washing clothes for money came. Yes, she's probably shy. I'm shy. Charot. Shy. Charot. She don't do that. I give her plenty. Thank you.
Planting.
She's probably shy. Yes. Thank you so much for joining my live. Tonight, I will do live again. Hope you join me again. My friends here on YouTube, thank you so much. I'm just saying what it means. You need to know these things. Just another woman in love, just another just another Cheryl, who is next to you, Ruby? No, she's my cousin. My cousin, me. Maybe Ruby. What time? Maybe we meet this Saturday, Ruby. Gihugma means love. Yes, Gihugma means love. In Bisaya language. Hope, hope. Sir Harley, you find someone? You still finding someone, Sir Harley? Where are you now? Just another woman in love. Show your cousin. Ah, she going outside now already. She's going outside already now. She need laba-laba. Laundry day. Laundry. She needs the laundry day. Laundry. What time? My father. And the cat. Thank you for the 13 people na. Ha? Oh.
Nagbukas si Mike.
Pugod.
Kami luway-luway yun, malaksi oh.
Kano ka naman ang sito ni.
Ginayaan niya ito na intang.
Adiri luto na pili magano kay pareha sira.
Ay, sabi ko maulit mo kita. Ang sabi mo.
Sure, guys. My daddy. I love you, daddy. Thank you, daddy. Daddy, yeah. Sit down, eating. If ever you're in my arms again, this time, thank you for the 27 thumbs up. Salamat and the 13 people here. Thank you so much. Salamat. Salamat ma'am. Salamat po.
Kaya ang palaman mo.
Before that, it was Tamsak and Galing. Thank you, Greg. Have I met her? Gihugma was the third word I learned in Visaya last year. Oh, wow, that's good, Greg. That's great, Greg. Good job, Greg. You have a lot of friends, Visaya, Greg. Filipina, Visaya. Cheryl, I'm learning how to write sentences now. Come on, guys, let's get to last 30 likes. Yes, 30 likes. Soon, 3 more. Bye, everyone. Have a nice again. It's work and stress. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for salamat sa pagpunta sa aking live every morning, every night. Is it your family behind you? Yes, behind me. My family, my sister, my father, my brother, my nephew, my niece, my son. Magandang umaga, Christy. Greg, Christy is she's my sister. Christy, when you go live, Christy. She's out na. She working hours na. She need to work na. She feels stressed at her work. No, she out na. Work is life. I need to, if I reach the 27 likes, 30 likes. Thank you so much, 12 people, 11 people in my life. And very nice to see your family there. Thank you, Sir Lay Pollock. Thank you, Sir Lay. Thanks, Greg. Thanks, Greg. Thank you, Greg, from Team. That's a beautiful life. That's a beautiful day. Da, da, da. Just a beautiful life. A life that. Gandang umaga din po, Sir Gregory. Greg. Are you still here, Greg? Ha? Nasabihin ako, Gab.
Baba, bali. 500,000 views yata.
Sana. Panoorin mo ako. Team, I teach people what I learn as well. I will teach you. I taught a lot of people. Sana all, Greg. Sana all, Greg. Just a beautiful. It's so beautiful. It's a beautiful day. Bye. Bye. Someday I found someone. Gandang umaga, Sir Tim. Tim, good morning from my sister. Alright. Dadar Farah. Hi, Dadar. Hi, Sir Dadar Farah. Farah mama. Farah. Okay. If I have time to learn, I would like to know the basic. Yes, basic language like Tagalog language. But I'm from Bicol. You need to learn Bicol language. Ano, Bisaya. Cheryl, you are not the first girl I teach Bisaya to.
There's si Greg eh.
Si Bigari.
Mama.
Si Greg. Ah, she's my cousin.
Hello. Good morning.
No yawning. You are tired. No yawning. You are tired. Oh, thanks, my heart. Oh, you play You play the there para. Para ka na naman. Para mama ha. Para. Why in your show? You will be here. You will be here. You will be here.
I will be here.
Why? But why in a year? Sure, you will be here. I don't understand what it means.
Why in a year? She
Oh, this mom. Hi, mom. No, she's my cousin.
Oh my God.
Oh, Golden Preza. She's my cousin. Same age. Cheryl, I saw someone eat a pancit sandwich today. Okay. Pancit sandwich. You will be in America, USA. Yeah, next year, I will be here.
Really fancy.
Watch and learn. Charot.
There I saw someone a pancit sandwich.
Some pancit canton sandwich. Pancit canton sandwich. I love to eat that pancit canton sandwich. Oh, cousin, sorry. Oh, cousin. It's okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
Where are you from, sister? I'm from Philippines. Brother. Thank you for the 15 people. It's a beautiful life. It's a beautiful lesson. Aray.
Kailangan mo pa nga yun mag-sign in bago ka ano, no?
Oh.
Na-sign in ka lang.
Signing ka man.
Ano sabi mo? What's up, Madlang people? Hello!
Oo nga. Hi, good morning. Edwin Tamoke. Tamoke. Hi, Sir Edwin Tamoke. Tamoke man.
Taga saan?
Why? Taga Bicol po. Bicol, Sir Edwin. Taga Bicol Province po. Pilipinas. Ikaw po, taga saan ka po, Sir Edwin? Taga saan si Sir Edwin? Taray. Hello, good morning po. Salamat. Good morning din. Ikaw po talaga. Good morning din po. And salamat din. Salamat sa pagpunta sa Rico Gabonia Official. 2 more likes, guys. Tap. 3 more. 3 more likes.
Ay, hindi na gaga.
Edwin Tamoke, may number ka dito. Ako sa Amos, Cavite. TTS Manila. May number ka dito. Wala. Double tap your screens. Damn it. Lul.
Nag-visit one time lang.
LOL, Greg. LOL. One visit, one time like you. Thank you, Dader, Farah. Ilang taon ka na? 40 years old. 40. Batang-bata. I see 28 on my skin. Okay. Maybe late on my screen. Rico Gabonia Official. Thank you. It's a beautiful life in the sea.
Bisita mo ang aking bat.
Marlon Dagugdog. Hi, Marlon Dagugdog. Kumusta, Marlon? Dagugdog. Ay. Marlon Dagugdog. Dagugdog. Bagay tayo. Ako 41. Yan. I'm sure. Yung 41 na edad mo, nakailang asawa ka na. Ilang anak. Kasi kung ano ka, hindi ka ganyan. Hindi mo masasabi lahat yan. Filipino tayo. Hello, Jam. Hi, Sir Ma'am Marlene Dadugdog. Kumusta po? Watching from Quezon City. Hello, Marlene. Thank you for watching. Salamat. Hello, Ma'am Marlene. Hi, Marlene. Wala akong asawa. Gusto ko ikaw. Ay, naku. Hello, Axel. Okay lang, Dam. Okay lang. Marlon Dadugdog. Thank you for the 14 people here. 2 more likes. Thumbs up. Please, thumbs up. 3 more likes. It's a beautiful life. Wala akong number. Edwin. Wala. I subscribe to your channel. From Marlon, I subscribe to your channel from Greg. That's good. Good job, Greg. B1 Excel. Hello, Rico Gabonia Official.
Lumugad ka na, Gab? Talagab?
Hi, Excel. Hindi ako payag. Hindi ang kita kilala eh. Sorry, I'm going back in my house team. don't subscribe to them. Thank you so much, Marilyn the Dugdog. No, mom, right? Yeah, my mom. Bakit hindi ka papayag? Hindi ako basta-basta naniniwala. At ikaw din, 41 years old ka na, tapos dapat matured enough. Dapat alam mo yan. Philippines is a beautiful country. Philippines is a beautiful country, but has already and romantic ladies. Thank you. Thank you, Dada. Hi, good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Haritsen Bosca. Good morning. Tell her what I said last night to mom. Hi, mom. From Tim. Hi. Hi, Mai. Oh, say hi daw.
Ha?
Say hi. Hi, from Tim. Harley. Hello. Sabi ka hello.
Ano?
Hello.
Hindi ko minay mo.
Hindi ko ba? Ako naman lang na yun.
Oh, hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. Marlon. Thank you, Sir Gregory. Edwin Tamoke. Mabait naman ako. Single. Daming mabait. Pag nagsusulat. Madaling sabihin na mabait. Therefore, Philippines is a beautiful country. So, thank you so much, Marlon. You are welcome po from Magales. Axel, can you speak English, Axel? Lipo, here, remember those words are alleged. Yes.
Wala mga
Very legit.
Tabang pang ano, ha?
Very legit. Lipalak. Golden Pizza, hi. Hello po, Nay. Kumusta? Okay lang. Ayun, kumakain. 20 thumbs sucks and 18 people here. Salamat. Backbone died. Hi, Mom. Ah, okay. Hi, Mom. From Steve. Thank you, Steve. Axel, English, please. Axel. Marlon Gadugdog. Julio Torres. Hi, Julio. What province are you from? From Luzon, Bicol Province. Bicol. B-I-C-O-L. Bicol. Trabaho ako kasing construction dito sa Cavite. Yo, sige, Sir Adwin, ingat ka and God bless. Ang pagbutihin mo yung trabaho, huwag puro babae ang inintindi. Good, ano lang, hanggang sa maano mo yung goal. Huwag masyadong magigipag, ano. Mom, you have a cute daughter. Think, ha? Ay, may order ako. Excuse me. Tumamay na ano. Order si mother? Dili ako. Pag dili ka ho, kaya nakalive ako. Uy, nahanap ka ng malive na. Ayoko nga. Makata ako after lunch.
Ini-edit mo yun. Dapat ini-edit mo yun.
Diri, nakalive ako didi. Sa YouTube ini.
Magsasahod ka na.
Basta.
Ang sakit na naman. Oo, yan.
Adiyo. May ano ako didi. Duwan order ko.
Ayan. After election.
Oo, yes. Babayaran ka agad.
Napata na ako kung dahil. Kay nagnunulaan na ako sa dahil ka ko.
Ay, yun.
Dapat magkaragos mo ka baby, ha?
Oo, makaragos kita.
Ano mo kayo nag-ambra sa ibo?
Mahalo na pero okay lang. Wala
Kung may sponsor mo, sila sa mga ang tulo na ka. Sobra kang bahay.
Kadahan mo ito na ito.
Baga pinilo.
Pinilo ko yun. Pero maghanap ang sinama. Ibalik mo ulit ha. Okay. Nagparay mo siya. Ay, ano yan to? Bali 2,000 na da sa to.
Ayun.
Paano ka mag-ingat?
Uy, dapat tama ang sizes mo, ha?
Oh, 4 man lang ako. Mama lang pinakasaday dito. Wala din na lang ada.
Ayaw, dapat ano mo.
Yadi na lang. Yan ano.
Bala.
Yadi.
Sigurado ka?
Oo, tapos may gano'n pa.
Pila.
Yadi sa akin, yadi. One.
Ari nino
7 in 1.
Diri kapod ang bra. Ako kapod na sa ang bra.
Wala man. 2 pieces bra set.
Aray.
Just 300.
Ari sa ang kuwaon mo.
Yadi na ano, ha? 7
Ah, 7 in 1 na panty.
Tapos may napili pa ako na bra.
Nano sa tan size na ano panty mo?
Ano? Kasi ano ako eh. Ayuha, size.
Oo.
pala. May sizes ba di na nakabutang? Wala man di.
Ah, pero imudong ko na lang dito ba?
Basta ano.
Kung size, what size?
Basta ako 25. 25 hours lang.
25. Ano daw ang size? Small, medium,
Modi. Ako kung extra small, siyempre.
extra small ha. Pero kasabi ko na, talaga. Di talaga ka mataraba ang magkarabang ha?
Karga niya daw. Yadi ho.
Ay, strapless.
Malang mo lang.
Langgas. Ay, ano ko na size?
3 eh.
Ah, 3. Diba?
32 eh.
Tapos iniman.
Pagkatapos ng radyo, need to pay.
Bye, madam. Keep safe. Thank you. Mga to doon. Ay, sadang presyo. Nakalsun.
Oo, basta hinapon mo na lang.
Oo, kay wala dito ang presyo sa di. Pero chat ka sa presyo ha. Kasi sa bra ini mo.
Oo, yadi ho.
Bra. Bra. Ha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Mura siya.
Ito siya. Diri ang pangaran sa dipan.
Badi yadi didi.
Mo. Hanapon ko ha.
Ah,
Mao lang ini bebe.
Oo. Say I love it too. Cheryl, how many you buying from Avon? Panty, bra. Panty, bra. I think the price from it more than 2K. Because 7 pieces of panty and 2 pieces of bra. The bra. More than 2K. The price. More than 2K. It's just a beautiful life. It's a beautiful day at time. You buying your sister one too? Yes, really? I will buy my sister too. One piece. Okay. I will buy her. Mo. Mo? No. What? Huh? No? So no? But you said you buying your sister one. No, but her. No, but her. No, but... Huh? Korean people. Parang for 20. I don't see her buy her some. Magandang umaga po. Magandang umaga, Jenny and Grace. What do you mean? God. Because you said okay and you only call Solito Mary. Yes. Yeah. That's why. That's why. Thank you for the no. Thank you for the 8 people here and 28 thumbs up. Salamat. So beautiful days. I'm ending live now. Thank you so much, guys. Salamat. I need to end live now. There is a Filipina. I have hope. Jean's life is similar to yours, except she's a province girl. Her channel is fairly new, but we supported her so become monetized and gave people ticket, ticket, EQ, EQC TV 3123. I will still, ano, I, I try to, I try to get the people, and back account. I told you that you need to be careful. Yeah. Thank you so much, guys. I'm end live na. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you soon tonight. I make live again. I do live again. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, guys, my friend here and YouTube. Love you. Bye.